Welcome to Gogakuha. Today I'm making breaded chicken schnitzel, an all-time favorite in Croatian cuisine. It's something we serve at almost every special occasion: Sundays, weddings, christening, baptism, family gatherings. First, choose a nice piece of chicken breast and slice it into thin pieces and trim them nicely so there are no loose ends. This is important for frying because if the pieces are uneven, the thin parts will burn quickly while the thicker parts may not cook properly. So you do that and then you clean them nicely. Next thing is to season the chicken with a salt and pepper or any other spices you like. One important step for me is squeezing fresh lemon juice over the meat. Um, and then let it marinate a little. I find that the lemon helps the meat stay lighter and prevents it from absorbing too much oil during frying. For the breading, you will need three things. First, scrambled eggs mixed with a little milk. This will be your wet mixture. Second, all-purpose flour. And third, breadcrumbs. You can use plain breadcrumbs or Italian-style breadcrumbs with herbs and spices. So now the process is simple. First, dip the chicken into the flour, then into the egg mixture, and finally coat it in the breadcrumbs. Repeat this for all the pieces. Also, when you're like done with your pieces with the breading them, then don't stack them all one on top of other. Like spread them nicely on a one big pan. This way they don't become like soggy, and they will stay nice and fluffy because of the breadcrumbs and all that stuff. So in a big pan, heat oil, and you can use the oil of your choice, and fry the chicken until it's golden and crispy, making sure it doesn't burn. Once the schnitzels are done, place them on a paper towels so that excess oil can be absorbed. You have to be really present here and watching the temperature and the oil. And the one easy thing, it's like when you put the piece of meat into the oil, let it cook for a few minutes, then turn it over, and then check if it's done. And there you go. That's it. Delicious Croatian chicken schnitzel. You can serve it with potato salad, green bean salad, mashed potatoes, or any side you like. It takes a little time to prepare, but it's definitely worth it. And everyone will love you for making schnitzels. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.